Hi folks, part 2. Samsung refrigerator making noise in the refrigerator and not cooling properly. Okay, so I put the torch up here and got some heat into the refrigerator, like so. Works faster. Okay, now you can see what's going on up here. Okay, now here's your fan motor. Here's your fan blade.
Okay.
And see, it's striking this chunk of ice. And it's not cooling because this is all froze here.
Oh, I see.
Okay. So defrost it, put it back together, you'll be okay.
Good.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you. Sorry about the light in your eye.
I know.
Okay, folks, so you got to be careful taking this off when it's frozen. It doesn't come apart too easily. So we're going to take this off here. Up here's 2, 1 and 2. Take these off. Pretty easy. Let's take it outside. Let it hit the heat. It's kind of cold today, but we'll take it out and let it hit the heat a little bit. And we'll work on this outside here. There we go. That'll defrost out. Here it's warmer. And I'll work on the inside for right now. And you got to be a little careful here. See, the ice has caused a crack. Let me get the light off. You can see the crack here from the ice. Okay, everything else looks all right. That looks good. So I'm going to defrost this. Got to be careful. This is all plastic. Not good. So I'm going to use the torch. You could use a hair dryer. And warmed it up. Can't do much. It's plastic. It'll melt, so gotta be careful. So I'm just gonna let the heat from the torch radiate. And let the torch heat radiate inside the refrigerator section. That'll start to defrost and I'll be able to break it off in chunks. Thanks folks for tuning in. Again, Samsung bottom freezer. Typical problem. The ice gets onto that fan motor and it stops cooling and it starts making noise before it stops cooling all the way. So this will be all right. I'll get that all defrosted and put it back together, and these folks will be back and working the order for the refrigerator. Thank you again. Give us a call, 484-764-7738, or your office, 570-629-3460. Give us a thumbs up if you can. I appreciate that. Thank you very much, and subscribe.